In the land of the decorative artisan, pushing the boundaries of what's possible is essential. In this IDAL workshop, we'll be diving into the art of concrete stenciling with Rachel Bruce, a professional graphic designer and decorative concrete specialist with FLOORMAPS Incorporated. Rachel has crafted an innovative vinyl stencil system that's transforming how artists create on concrete surfaces. Rachel's technique is unique. It involves creating custom vinyl stencils that isolate each color into separate layers. This approach enables artists to achieve the intricacy and depth typically seen in painted artwork by using stencils that are attached by removable adhesive and aligned using guide marks. Starting with a cementitious overlay on the board, Rachel applies each stencil layer one by one, focusing on just one color at a time. This meticulous process allows for precision and produces vibrant, multi-dimensional designs. This technique isn't limited to simple patterns. Rachel's process can bring nearly any vision to life, from hyper-realistic portraits to abstract designs and large-scale murals. With her stencils, she can create complex, layered effects that would be difficult, if not impossible, to replicate with traditional methods.
But as far as the process itself, what makes us unique is we isolate individual colors to build the design. And I can pull this up and show you a little bit closer so that you can see it. Each color is isolated onto a different layer of vinyl stencil. And the majority of the students have worked with stencils or vinyl stencils in the past. I'm sure what makes us different is the registration system that we use. So whenever they get to the classroom, they're going to have their cementitious board that's already been troweled and prepped and ready for them. And so they'll have a packet with all of the layers of the stencil. I'm going to try to get it into 5 layers. It might end up being 6 layers. It depends. If they would like to incorporate gold leaf into some of these layers, they could do something like that. In this case, this one was just strictly stains on cementitious overlay board. There's no gold leaf added to this one. So there's some customization involved in it. But as far as the process, say it's 5 layers, you would start with the very first layer and they'll all be numbered. You pull your first layer out. And there's a process for applying it properly to the board to prevent skewing. Once the vinyl sticker is applied to the surface, it's going to be isolating only one color in the design. Say, for instance, the peach in her dress. Certain colors in this design will be, like the background will stay that beige color, the green leaves. Those will be standard colors that will be provided to the students and already mixed and ready. As far as the dress, that's where there's some customization involved. This design is incredibly detailed. I went ahead and left all of the detail in it whenever I created it. However, the students will have something that's a little more simplified than this.
One of Rachel's key insights is that you might not need to be a muralist to make beautiful art. Her stencil system empowers artisans to experiment and create without needing extensive fine art skills. By offering custom designs that meet clients' needs, Rachel is helping to open up exciting new possibilities for decorative concrete. Rachel's work highlights the versatility of her vinyl stencil system, enabling artisans to create custom artwork on surfaces from floor mats to walls. This technique is ideal for expanding your craft and offering unique products. Join the community of like-minded artists by signing up for this class and using the links below.